Hey DIYers, I'm George from AlarmGrid. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a profile image to your Total Connect 2.0 account. So a profile image and a location image are completely different. Profile images are for the actual users on Total Connect. The location images are for the locations that you may have. So if you have multiple locations, your house, your business, multiple businesses, vacation home, guest homes, anything like that, you may have multiple images in your Total Connect account. So we have a video for location images as well, but today we're going to be doing the video for the profile images. Now, first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually working with my iPad today, so let me go ahead and get this set up for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a profile image through the website and through the app. Now they're both basically the same steps. However, it might look a little different on the app, and some people may get confused. So I want to make sure I touch everything. All right. So to start off, using the website, I open up a browser. I actually already have my Total Connect logged in, but I'm going to start fresh for you guys, right? So the first thing you need to do is go to the website. The website is called totalconnect2.com. So totalconnect2.com. As you see, mine auto-populates in there, so I'll just hit go. You enter in your username. Next, you enter in your password, which you guys can't see mine. So let me go ahead and enter it in. Once you've entered in the password, all you do is sign in. You can have it remember you so that you don't have to enter it in next time. It automatically logs you in. Sync manually. All right. So right now I'm on my Vista 21 IP location. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to change the profile image. So to change my profile image, you'll see a little person icon in the left-hand corner. This is the menu bar. This is how you navigate through the different tabs in the actual app. So I'm going to hit the little person icon where it says profile. It's going to take me to my profile name. Then from there, you see the little add with the camera icon right above my first name. You're just going to hit that icon, and it should bring up the option. If you're on a web browser, it'll say if you want to drag the photo. I'm doing this on my iPad, so I don't have the same features that you would on a computer or laptop, but you can drag the photo from any of your folders. Now the thing with the photo that you're using, it can only be in 4 different formats: JPG, JPEG, PNG, or GIF. So JPEG, GIF, or PNG. All right, PNG. So you're going to go ahead and make sure it's also less than 10 megabytes. That's the maximum the file size can be. If you guys try using a bigger file size, it will not work. So make sure you guys are using a file size that's less than 10 megabytes. All right. So after you verified your image, you can go ahead and select photo. I'm doing mine on a tablet, so you can see it actually, it asked me if I want to take a photo, or if you want to go to your photo library. So for you guys, it might be some folders on your computer. You're going to go to camera roll, and I'll just click on my picture. Now from here, it's going to give you the option to crop, which is a little dark gray square with the 2 arrows in opposite direction. So I'm going to go ahead and maximize this so that it reaches all the edges, and then you can play around. Let's say if I made it smaller, if you hold the center, you can move it around. But I'm going to go ahead and maximize to do the whole picture. I'm going to hit OK. Once you change the image, just hit save. Now right there, I'm changing my personal profile image. If you have other users in here as well, and you want to change their images or add images to them, that way they can have their own personalized stuff, you can go ahead and go into users. So instead of the profile, you go to the users icon, which is the little it's the 2 people, and you go to all location users, and you'll see here I actually have an image added for Frank Longo. I can go ahead and click on his profile again, and same concept. You can change the image, you can leave it as is, whatever you want to do. If you have specific photos you want to add for someone, you can do that as well. So once I'm here, I'm just going to hit cancel. I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. So this is through the web browser. I'm going to show you guys how to do it through the app now. So I'm going to back out of my web browser, and I'm going to open up my Total Connect 2.0 account. It automatically logs me in. As you can see, my total connect account, since I'm on an iPad, it automatically flips the view to side view. If you're doing this on your phone, you'll probably have a vertical view. So on my iPad, it switched it to a horizontal. If you're on your iPhones or Android phones, it'll probably keep it vertical. If it does go horizontal on your iPad, it actually shows you the menu bar in the bottom left-hand corner. If you're doing this on your phone, you'll actually see a little hamburger sign in the top left. It's 3 horizontal lines that are above each other, and that's your menu button. So if you click on that button, it'll bring up the same icons that I have here at the bottom of my menu. You're going to hit My Profile, and my picture's probably already added in there since I did it through the website. And as you see, it's already there. But again, just to show you guys how it's done through the app, you go to Change, select Photo, Photo Library. When you're doing these things, you may also need to give it permission to, for instance, let me hit cancel real quick. When you do select photo, if you do take a photo, you're probably going to need to give Total Connect 2.0 access to your camera. And if you do photo library, you're probably going to need to give Total Connect access to your camera roll. All right. After you do that, just hit your camera roll. Again, I'm just going to select my image so you guys can see. It's basically the same thing I did on the website. You crop the image, you hit OK, you hit save. Yes. And then after that, you are done. And again, same concept for the users. You can go into your users tab. You can add a user. You can change the picture for Frank or for whatever users you have. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about how to add images, how to crop them, the file size, how to compress, anything like that, feel free to email us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and enable notifications so whenever we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.